Welcome to Beyond the Coaching Home. Now we will discuss about a paragraph about my country. We obviously know that our country name is Bangladesh, but officially that is called People's Republic of Bangladesh. That is situated in South Asia. Probably I have already told you that Bangladesh, officially called People's Republic of Bangladesh, is a country in South Asia. To Hearts West is West Bengal in India. Hearts because it's our motherland. Bangladesh is our motherland. For that, they are also used Hearts. To Hearts West is West Bengal in India. To Hearts Northeast is Northeast India, and to Hearts Southeast is the Southeast Asian country of Myanmar. This is the geographical position of Bangladesh. Bangladesh's capital and largest city is Dhaka. That is come from Dhaka. That is come from Dhaka. Bangladesh declared hers as independent from Pakistan in 1971. I think everyone is know about this. After a long time liberation, 9 month war in which over a million people died. We know 1 million people. That means 10 lakh people died for acquiring our liberation. The president of Bangladesh acts as head of state, but the prime minister of Bangladesh acts as head of government. Bangladesh is divided into 8 administrative divisions as Borishal, Chattogram, Dhaka, Khulna, Rajshahi, Sylhet, Mymensingh, and Rangpur. Divisions are divided into districts. There are in total 64 districts in Bangladesh. Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Adha, Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja, Buddha Purnima, Christmas Day are major religious festival in Bangladesh. The most important non-religious, the most important non-religious festival is Pohela Boishakh or Bengali New Year, the beginning of the Bengali calendar year. That is called Pohela Boishakh. Rice and fish are traditional favorite foods. Biryani is also now favorite dish for new generation. I love my country very much, and obviously I want to visit every historical place of our country. Because why? If we will visit the historical place of your country, we will know about your history of your country. Thank you everyone. Thank you.